if you have problem, come you have. No, for you, if you have problem, come you have. Because sort out on the problem. Make me angle minds. No, for you, if you have problem, come in. No, me have whole heap. So I know how comes you just keep on coming here and typing. Like, I can't fathom this shit. I wanna behave like me stupid. Because if I am losing, there's no motivation if I'm losing. But if you shoot to bring that motivation, it will come. Go and advise opinion and I need to know mama. Wanna chat too much. They did put something. When people vice their mother. When people vice your mama. When people vice your mother. You put something, bitch. Which blood clot, where you got talk about? Oh, when people vice their opinion, go suck your mama. Not too enough. I love chat. What did you put to motivate me? Come here, give me a half feeling. Lift up. Moderator, block them out of my comment section. Block them and chat too much. But when people vice some opinion, vice your mother. Not too enough. Too enough. Not too enough. Vice your mother and too enough. Too enough. Vice your mama. Black the whole of them. I'll shine that girl, black that girl to black the whole of them. Come off of this. Come off. Come off. All the one right lady stop black cause of followers them black she too. Come off of this orange girl. Black them and tell them off of the page. Cause someone in our shoot yes so. I don't know why you have no opinion. You're gonna run for someone no opinion. Come off. This is my life, my stream. Someone not too enough. I love chat. I know man, I don't know one business. What did you put to make me win? Did you put something new? Not because I'm begging, but what did you put? Who put a right to voice them on opinion? That's what I believe in. As a Gemini, you don't put nothing, you don't vice nothing. If you put, you can. Like a Rocky come with the box and vice your opinion, fine. She put something, you don't put shit, so I don't want you nothing. You don't put shit, so don't type nothing. You don't put nothing, so don't type nothing. Too enough. I love chat. One wall upon no diamond waste pages. Some girl will come for so long and watch out your 24 hour. Your 63 minutes. And if me even don't win big, me alright. Whether if me win or lose, me okay. Whether if me the win or whether if me the lose, then I don't know when is the next round, Michibu. But whether if me the win or whether if me the lose, me alright. Me thank God for what me get. Cause me never put nothing on nobody pocket. Whether if me the win or whether if me the lose, whether if me win or lose, me thank God. I made the official match or anything. Whether if me win the match or lose the match, me get something me alright with it. Cause when and I recycle not too enough. Turkey that me don't want, you know. Turkey that me want. Sure. Pass the charger. Whether if me the win or whether if me the lose, me still get something. Shut up the door. Me still get something when me appreciate. Kind of for the people there where they have to put it. So thanks to all who put, all who tap. Thank you guys so much. For the bitches them hours of my business lift up. Gonna come for so long and watch up my business and chat too much. Too enough. Whether if me do win the match or lose the match, nothing wrong. Me get something. He said me never get nothing now. You could have something to say, but me get something. And I appreciate everybody that participate. But for the girl when I have nothing, I never say nothing. Bye-bye. Block them. Block them moderation. Goodbye. Don't come back. Thank you for the honor, baby. You know, love compound people live and talk about I do no 2 cents or no 3 cents. Mine, you don't want a business. Some of you now shoot on TikTok. Some of you come and say chat, can and nah. Can and nah. Will never. What if someone get the drama what me I say? Some of the people them can, nah, and will never. But them have the biggest talk. Have 40 page. Some of them have the biggest talk, 40 page. Some of them have the biggest talk, 40 page. On nah, put nothing. Me no want to come here, so please. I would that miss you. Thank you for the subscription, auntie. Some of them nah put. If some of them say now one match and them join in and them say I lose, them come out back. Move on the dirty blood clot. Don't come here, so. I'm not promote a and talk. No, I know they for hype over nothing a long time about. And I have seen where people come out and help me in enough way. You understand? Me no want someone to come here so come tell me this and someone to come tell me that. Too enough. Me tired for tell you no. From Wappy Kill Flop, thanks for the subscription. It's what my team put. I'm grateful for. I never tell nobody to run go recharge where them don't have. It's whatever my team put on the board I'm grateful for. Whatever. If I ever hear me come and say, oh guys, we need to go number 1 today. If I hear me come here, come tell me that yet. Oh, we want to go number 1. No. If I hear me come say that yet. Never. Mistake me second for top 20. Me second for top 20. And let me not get top 20. Night 22. I said, cho. If ranking, if Friday come and if Friday come, I'm down in the ranking on 20. And Saturday come, I'm saying I go up there. Miss top rank. Miss top rank. Rosealee now come on no. I'm not do no more ranking. I saw me stay. Cause I don't think I should put people. I don't think as a beggar I should put people out of their comfort zone to put what they don't have. As somebody, yes, it's just the truth. So when you not got someone come, when you get bankrupt cause of me. As something formidable about me. I want still wonder what about me. If me rank fam, if me rank, I reach Friday, I don't get ranking me top rank. Friday determine my destination for me. And if me reach up in the top 20 by Friday, me top rank. If me reach up in the top 20 by Friday, me top rank. Me not rank Saturday. And if me even rank Sunday, I'll wait at 11 o'clock midnight. Me wait till the ranking start over. You know what I want to know? All what day I do my 1 year anniversary. Me some big old girl a type. Them really fall off because one time I lion tigers and beers and how much in this. I was like, these people, these dishes are crazy. Most of the time then when it's a lion, tigers and bear on cross, I recycle. Me not a recycle. Me not a recycle. I have never done recycle before. If you're a genuine friend, you keep a match. And me can't come shoot for you, me can't come shoot for you. If me can't. Me not do recycle. So if my people them can't send me 5 line when me now want official match, I saw you go. Me not do recycle. Me not doing recycle. Me don't want a ranker come shoot for me. Glad the match is no ranker. Me don't want a ranker come shoot for me. Because when ranker shoot for them, I expect it back. When am I do something? Yeah. My team drop 200k for me. My thankful feet. How much me did come here with? How much I did come here with? None. How much I did have? None. My team drop 200k for me. Thank God for me. No bad mind and grudge for no bad for them get. Me look like somebody in our worries. Someone wanna chat too much and too enough. I like run up on page and type. Block them moderator. Take them off of this. This is Rosealee program, 401. And people don't like when a vice go vice your mother all. We don't have problem. People don't like. People don't like. Someone don't like when people black. Someone don't like when people black. Someone don't like when people voice some opinion. Go voice your mother all. Entertain and need to know mama man. Lift up on the mama skirt and entertain. Someone chat too much. And mind people business. And then sit down and talk about what some of y'all are gonna do in TikTok lockdown. What some of y'all are gonna do in TikTok lockdown. Chat too much. I don't want some money yourself. 375 days of the year no come here so. Me not have no food, excuse.
No, what?
Excuse. You know why you're on the thoughts, man? Someone not beard. Someone man a batty man, someone have problem. Go start out on the problem. Maybe angle my TikTok on go start out for no problem. Me have problem too, you know. Can me you know have your problem can me have. No for you have your problem can me have. Go start out on the problem. Make me angle minds. No for you have your problem can me know me have whole heap. So me know how comes you bitches keep on coming here and typing. Like I can't fathom this shit. Me know me have problem, me know no have problem too, you know. Want to come here all a while? Go start out on a problem, man. Someone wanna come and start comment, click on the live. Sit down and talk to on the phone. You know always a comment and a type. Like what? Too enough. Me not like people enough and plenty. I like to be seen. Enough up. And I follow me up. Someone want a problem bigger than even my own. But no comments already for Rosealee and this and that and Killer Bean guys, thank you so much. I know more.
Oh, hello, my friend. What is this?
Wow, you're a black bomb.
How are you, my friend?
Come here, my all. Come here, my all. Isaac Elfa, you never gonna put nothing. So not tell me about energy. Because I don't know why I'm really strong and put energy in a game, I know I'm not going to win. I know I'm not going to win. I know I'm never going to win. Why am I so long and put on energy in a game, I know I'm not going to win. I know I'm not going to win. If you guys don't drop big, we're not winning. If you guys don't drop big, we're not winning. If you guys don't drop big, we're not winning. So in the minute, I'm like, oh, shoot. I'm not win. You know, so Diamond Tide, I should still not win. Me never gonna do that. Oh, me? No. You look like Papa Show? What am I good? Me appreciate everybody that come and support, but I never gonna kill up myself. I know I'm not win. Papa Show start making a long book of life. For the first match, I will carry on down 800 score. What the next game I kill up myself for? For me see the man reach 1,000, I'd see me here. I'm going to say yes. When the man say run through them, see me here. Come here, my Gemini. And if him never win, him never gonna behave or him a behave. I true him a win, make him a behave, so. You never did know? The two of we are Gemini. And I true him a win, make him a behave, so. Run through them. Me never gonna do that. Because I know I'm not going to win. So you guys talk about energy. Well, yes. But me shoot my team. You know I'm never gonna win. Him go on or him won't go on. Kells, I have played with this person over and over. And I know this. So if you guys don't know, uno last. It wasn't that easy match, and he's not easy. He's not easy to beat. I don't know where they get kind for that. I don't know where they get kind from, but them are even upon the board. You guys just need to think it's a competition. Whenever I play on a weak fence, and if both team could have put up one good enough score to beat him, because I know me alone did want to put up some score, you know, except Diamond team would have put up one every points to him lose. They have to work together. And him want to put up the biggest point out of the world 4 away. So the guys now, just, me not like talk to dunce people, you know. Me not like talk to dunce people. You know, me not like talk to dunce people. But don't like talk to dunce people. Because if you guys pre this, when him a rank him out up on the podium, always. So me know him have. Me know. So don't tell me about energy. Because when he's ranking, him always up on the podium. Him will take all 2 days for reach on the podium. He must start. Me start ranking Sunday. Me rank Sunday night, 12 o'clock come off 2. Him start ranking Monday. But after 7. And before the night done, him put up 300 odd K. And the other day him put up 400 odd K. And yesterday I put up 300 odd K, so won't not tell me say I must be a no that. Come on no TikTok. Don't stop make me look like me ungrateful when I know I never was gonna win. Cause I can count it down to gravy. I can count it down to gravy. Even when what they went him and Candy are fight for podium. And when I match that, remember saying, you know, him just put up 2.8 million in a diamond, you know, and the ranking restart. And you know how much him drop? 700K in a one Sunday night. 700K in a one Sunday night. What part of the world someone want to ban? Someone just love chat and I look and observe. I don't know why someone just always come in and type. He just come and just like chat. I don't doubt my team. But then every day people are going to shoot out with them not have on TikTok. To prove a point. That is just it. I don't doubt my team. But then every day people are going to shoot out with them not have on TikTok to prove a point. I don't doubt nobody. I couldn't fight because me alone can't chop 1,000 odd K. Me alone couldn't fight him. Me alone couldn't fight him. He said my team could have dropped 1,600 and Diamond team could have dropped another 600. It'll go up. But if my team a push and fear team, remember says a team something. So if fear team did a push enough, like mine's, probably, maybe, however, but it have used as a team effort. Me alone couldn't do it because me drop 100K and she did 200 or 500 at that. So we are struggle. If she did a 4, and me a 4 would be 800. We'll try so we can catch him up. Side by side. Fear by team of work and fear team of work side by side. We could have beat that one something. But nonetheless, we did well. But guys, 6 team is a hard team to beat. It's not an easy pushover for my longer time, so me know you don't understand. Him team is not an easy team to have a pushover for my longer time. Even when me play one-on-one. Me win 3 game or 4 game and the rest side, me don't know where the smoke pan, but him just share him live or whatever. Only Switzerland World Cup can beat him. Only. Them alone.